dear kids, hope you all are well. So welcome to our online classes. As I know you always do very well, so on the sequence on this online class I have chosen once again from a topic from your Active English workbook, and I hope you will like it, because I know how much you are passionate about writing the name of the things, just seeing the pictures beside the rows. So it's for you. I hope you will enjoy the class, as it's your one of the most favorite topics. So the topic is from your item number 36, and of course from Active English workbook. Earlier I have mentioned that we will start from the last page of the Active English workbook so that we can go faster, as we learned a lot of things that are really very similar to the previous chapters. So I thought it would be wise to start from the last page. So on the sequences, let us go through the page. Let us go through the item number 36. So in this item here, some of the pictures are given, and the most interesting thing about this chapter is the name of the things is mentioned, of course mentioned, but here it will be about colors. uh, the things are given, the pictures are also given, and at the same time, apart from this, you are given the color of the things. So you have to identify the color, and the what color is that thing is also being mentioned here. So you don't need to be panicked that how can I mention it will be black or blue. See, if I say your dress is red, so what that is it always that you wear the red dress? Don't you have any other colors? Of course you have. So for your comfort zone, they have already mentioned you the color of the things also. Okay. So I hope it's now time to go through the chapter. So without wasting any time further, let us go through it. Look at the board. As I told you that some of the pictures will be given here. In total there are 4 pictures. That's not much. So 4 pictures are given here. The number 1 shows that it's a sack of sugar. So we can see that it's a sack of sugar. It's full of sugar. Okay. So see, under this picture, here something is written. It is what? It is the name of the color of this sugar. So it is white. See, the color of the every picture will be given just under the picture. Okay. So from this you can sense that the thing is actually which of the color it's about. Okay. So see, just it's not about just color and the thing. You have also you have to mention the word or sometimes a whole sentence. Okay. In different example, you will have different type of question pattern, like what is this? It is what? From this picture we can see it's sugar. So it is what? It is sugar. Okay. Okay, it is sugar. So then what color is sugar? We all know what color is it. It's white. Have you ever seen any other color of sugar? Yeah, once I saw a brown type of sugar, but it's really very rare. So as it is mentioned here that the sugar is of white color, so we can't mention any other color. Okay, we have to put down the whatever is written in the box. We have to just put it down rightly. So here the color of the sugar is white. So you have to write sugar is white. That's already been given here. So it's done for you. Now coming to the number 2. See, what is this? What is this? Look at the picture. What is it? The name of the picture is ink. That means it's a bottle of ink, isn't it? Yeah. And see, under the picture here, it is written that BLUE. What is it? It is blue. So we know that we know the blue color. Of course we know. we know seven main colors, you know, of rainbow. So I hope you know what blue color is, how it look like. So that means the bottle of ink is actually is of blue color, isn't it? See, sometimes basically the ink is of black color. We use the black ink, but here as the ink is mentioned as blue colored, so you have to also write the color of this ink as blue. So you can't mention it as black. Okay, so see, what is this? What is this? This, THIS, this is what? This is ink, INK. Okay, what color is ink? What color is ink? So you have to first, you have to bring the ink at the very front. So ink will be the subject, ink. And then what should we put? We have to put a auxiliary verb, and it is an auxiliary verb is. Ink is what? Ink is blue. Will you write black? No, cause here, though we know that ink is basically of black color, but here blue is the color of the ink is blue, as the book already mentioned us that the ink is blue. So we have to write ink is blue. Okay, so what is this? Now please have a look on the picture. It is a picture of milk. It is a bottle. See, it's a bottle, and on it it's mentioned that it's milk, milk. As we know that what the color of milk? Milk is of white color, so it's the very common one. So what is this? You have to ordinate the whole sentence. You have to arrange the sentence. So first you have to bring this as your subject, then is the auxiliary verb. This is what? This is milk. Okay, and then see, what color is milk? Milk is what? Milk is blue? No, milk can never be blue unless you add some blue colors in it. So then can milk be brown? No, at least I have never drunk such milk. So what color is milk? As it's already been mentioned, white. So you have to write the color of it as what? As white. So milk, at first you have to put the noun. That means the subject. So the subject or the noun is here milk. So milk is, as we know that milk is uncountable noun, so we will prefer it as a singular one. Okay, we can't count it as plural number. So you have to do it as see, all the liquids are basically counted as what? As considered as singular number. I have earlier told you in the class. So here milk is collaboratively, milk is considered as singular noun. So for singular noun we will use auxiliary verb is. So milk is what? Milk is white. Okay, you got it? So now number 4, see, from look at the picture, though it's not being drawn perfectly, but I hope you can understand from the picture that the name just on this sake is written Tea. Okay, that means though it's not that drinking tea, it's actually tea leaf, I think so, as it's in sake. So the sake is of full of tea leaves, and the color is here written brown, BROWN, brown. So what is this? What is this? You can see it's tea. So I have to write this is tea. Now one thing you can ask me, that means earlier in the first one we have mentioned subject as it, but in the next ones you have mentioned this. Say this and it, there's there's no difference between this or it. That's both are actually used for the third person singular number. But if you want, you can also mention it. If you think that as it is to be used, so you can also mention as it. Okay, so similarly this can be changed into it, no matter what you write. because it is also right and this is also right. So okay, this is T or it is T, both are the same. No problem, whatever you want to like, what pronoun you put, but remember you should put a pronoun that is very much related to, that goes for the third person singular number. Okay, if you write THESE, this, it's not right, because this is basically used for plural number. Okay, if you write they, this also not right, this is wrong, because they is used for plural number. But see, tree, as I told you that T is here uncountable noun, and for uncountable noun we especially for the liquids we will consider it as singular one. So for singular you can use the pronoun these or it. Okay, or sometimes in terms of something, that, but for now this or it will be applicable. So this or it is T. Okay, this or it is T. Then what color is T? As it's been shown that it's brown. Okay, so the color of T is brown. We have to write it in this way, that first you have to bring T at the very front, then is. Why is? Because T is uncountable noun and at the same time it is being considered as singular one. So you have to put it as you have to write the auxiliary verb is. T is what? T is brown. Have you ever seen the red tea? Yes, sometimes if it is in the liquor of the tea, then it becomes what? It becomes reddish color. But if it is about, that white tea or see, there's actually nothing like white tea. The tea that mixes up with sugar and the full cream powder, so that will be a white tea. Though there's actually no term like white tea, but we the people are used to call it as white tea. Basically it is the color of tea is in that way. If the tea is made, then it becomes brown. Okay, so this all are the questions that you have to solve them out in this way. See, sometimes you will just have to write down the name of the thing, and in some cases you have to alternate the whole sentence as the second one is given below. Then sometimes you have to just make the questions also. Sometimes the questions are not made for you, but you have to make the questions. Okay, though in this chapter the questions are not actually given, but sometimes you have to do the same. What is this? Then see, from starting again, let us go through it. Number one is we can see a sack of sugar. It is full of sugar. So what is this? It is sugar, or this is sugar. As it already given here, it, the pronoun it, so we will go better with it. Okay, we will not use this or that, but if you want you can do, no problem. So it is sugar. What color is sugar? As it's been mentioned that sugar is white, so sugar is white. Then number two, it's a bottle of what? It's a bottle of ink. Okay, so we will write, what is this? It is ink. It is ink. As I see, it's a bottle of ink, so I have to write it is ink. What color is ink? So here the ink of the color of the ink is blue, so you have to write down ink is blue. So now coming to the third one, what is this? We can see a picture of the bottle, and here the label is written like milk, M-I-L-K. So from that we can sense that it's a bottle of milk, or it's a jar of milk. So what is this? It is milk. So what color is milk? Milk is undoubtedly always it is white. So milk is white. Now coming to the last one, it is number 4. You can see it's a sack of tea leaves, though it's not liquid, it's not made as liquid tea. I don't think so from seeing the picture, as the tea is written on the sack, so we can understand that it's full of tea leaves. So it's tea and the color of tea is brown. So what is this? This is or it is. Whatever you want, you can put any one of the pronoun. But remember, you have to write the pronoun relating to your what? Relating to your person. Like if it is third person singular number, you have to put the pronoun as this or this or it or that. If it is plural, then you can use the pronoun they, these, those, them, their, etc. So what is this? This is tea. This is tea. What color is tea? As I told you that though sometimes we drink the reddish tea if it is the liquor of tea, but here tea is brown, as the tea is when tea mixes up with full cream powder, milk, and the liquid and the reddish liquid, and along with the full of sugar, then it becomes brown color, what we call in our Bangladeshi context white tea. But actually there's no term of white tea, we better say it's brown tea. So basically the color of tea is brown, so you have to write tea is what? Tea is brown. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you will understand this, and you will of course fill the gaps into your books, and we of course submit your homework to me on the classwork box or that segment. So that's all for today. Hope we will meet very soon. Till then, stay well and take care.